Hello there. I thought I would do a real quick follow-up on my last video of this light. I decided to tear it apart, see what's in it. And very interesting. When this is on across these two terminals here, I was expecting these to be run in series, but they are not. There's only 2.7 volts across here. And that's on high. On low, there's 2.5 volts across here. So they're actually two rails. The hot rail is coming down this way and then running up this way, and the negative ones are running this way. And the LEDs are literally just put between them. That's very unusual for a board like this. Normally when I see boards like this, are 14 volts, 70 volts, 40 volts, stuff like that. Given the number of LEDs on here, I thought it was going to be 14 volts, but it is not. Now, also, it's got a quite chunky battery. This is very well glued in, and I do want to use this light, so I'm not going to tear that apart. But that appears to be two of the larger lithium cells. I forget the numbers on them, but it looks like this is one lithium cell. Let's see, how big is this? Let me get a meter and stick here. So these cells are about 2 3/4 inches long, I'm gonna say. So I'm not sure which cell that is. I know it's not 18650s, but also a few other things that I found while I was unraveling this is it's got a nice gasket here around where the front face goes. This is the bezel that sticks in. It basically does nothing but hide the board because it's not reflecting anything. They just used some silicone to hold it in. I'll have to redo that part. The front glass is glass. That I was not expecting. I figured this would just be plastic, and it's got a texture to it to try to diffuse the light a bit. So that's interesting. Also didn't realize that this had a rubber coating on the outside, though that's just basically cosmetic. Anyway, I thought you might be interested to see what I found inside this unit. Overall, I like the construction. Looks well made, looks well thought out, and a lot of times on lights like this, I open them up to find small batteries in them, and then I try to increase the time by putting bigger batteries, but with the circuit board in the back, this is both the charge controller as well as the on, off, and brightness. There is no more extra room in here, so they took up all the space they could. All right, thanks for watching.